allow me send this message to all the political prisoners in prison. Mwanga Chivumbi, Dr. Kiza Besigye, Waiswa Mufumbira, Gaddafi, and all other comrades. Victory always comes with a sacrifice. I know one day God will answer our prayers. One day we shall celebrate and we shall be remembered as a part of this country, not criminals. Finally, this is the message. This is the message to people in government. NUP is a political party. Supporting NUP doesn't mean that you're a terrorist. Supporting NUP is not a crime. That's why we are going to always stand as brothers and sisters for the betterment of this country. With all that, today is me, tomorrow is you. I appreciate every Ugandan, every brother and sister, mostly those ones in the diaspora, MPs, who has put more effort to see that we can stay in prison and we come out as innocent as we are, as you are looking at us today. May God bless you. People power, our power, people power.
First and foremost, to express my appreciation to you all that have gathered here. Welcome back home, the prisoners. These 9 individuals are not merely individuals, but 9 symbols of courage, endurance, and hope. I was captivated by their testimonies. To me, the testimonies demonstrate that the prison walls indeed succeeded in imprisoning them, but failed to imprison the human spirit. That perseverance, you see, should be enough to strengthen us, to strengthen our resolve. And I'm sure this imprisonment inspired millions, including most of us that are here.
In 6 years, if you have evidence for any offense, you should have produced it. But they didn't produce it because it was non-existent. But we thank them for remaining steadfast. Obviously, they kept pushing them against the wall until they said, okay, let's do what you want to say yes, so that we get out. But we are glad that even after coming out, they are here and they are saying, we are still sorry because we did not commit any offense. They would have hidden and probably said, we shall not even trace where any of the officers are. They were locked up before we acquired this place. But they are saying, we are still very much on track. We want to remind colleagues in the NRM. They don't like that we should remind them, but we shall remind you. The NRM 10-point program, what General Museveni says took them to the bush to eventually ameliorate the country. Point number 1 is restoration of the country's democracy. Number 1 of the 10. Because they said our elections are a mess. People are persecuted and so on. So they went to the bush, came to power. But I normally, and when I interact with colleagues in the NRM, sometimes I ask them that, do you see the same things we see?